Next, the second one, second identity, we are going to see that. So, second one, prove that curl phi a bar, curl phi a bar is equal to grad phi cross a bar plus phi into curly a bar, phi into curly a bar. So please be concentrate on this if you try to understand that. Okay, so easily you can get. So here it is, we need to prove that curl phi a bar is equal. In yesterday's class, we saw that divergence of phi a bar is equal grad phi dot a bar plus phi into divergence of a bar. And here it is, we are going to see that curlum. So I am taking LHS, here it is having curl phi a bar is equal. So curl is nothing but in symbolic notation, what we'll write? Del cross, right? So del cross phi a bar, del cross phi a bar. And here it is having, what is the definition of curl? So that definition, we need to apply that one, summation I cross dou by dou x, dou by dou x of phi a bar. So this is the definition of curl. So curl definition is nothing but summation I cross dou by dou x of phi a bar. So which is equal summation I cross dou by dou x of phi a bar. So dou by dou x of phi a bar is nothing but simply what we can apply. So simply you can apply UV formula dou phi by dou x into a bar plus, and what we discussed, the properties of derivatives and starting of the class. So that one only here we are going to apply. So dou phi by dou x into a bar plus phi into dou a bar by dou x, phi into dou a bar by dou x. So this is equal, simply what we can write, summation I cross dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou x into a bar plus, here it is having summation I cross phi into dou a bar by dou x, dou a bar by dou x. So which is equal to, here it is having dou phi by dou x is nothing but, here it is having phi is a scalar and a bar is nothing but a vector. So if you get a scalar is nothing but either if you multiply here or this one, there is no change in that. So for that, simply we are going to write this one, summation I cross dou phi by dou x into a bar. So into a bar plus, and here it is having summation. So this is also phi is a scalar. So simply we can write I cross dou a bar by dou x into phi, dou a bar by dou x into phi m. So which is equal, simply what we can write here it is having. So which is equal, simply we can write this is nothing but summation I dou phi by dou x. So this is a scalar. So for that dou phi by dou x cross a bar plus, and this is as this, we are not doing any changes in that. I cross dou a bar by dou x into phi m, dou a bar by dou x into phi. So this is equal. So what we can write in place of this one? Summation, if you expand this one, simply what will get? I dou phi by dou x, right? Plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. If you expand that summation. So this is nothing but simply what we'll write? I dou by dou x, j dou by dou y, k dou by dou z is nothing but del. And phi here it is. So simply what we can write? Del phi cross a bar as this plus, and this is also same. Is this in the form of a definition of curl or not? See here, I cross dou by dou x. So I cross dou by dou x is nothing but simply what we can write? Curl, right? Or simply we can write a del cross a bar. Okay, so del cross a bar into phi m. So this is equal, simply what we can write? Del phi is nothing but in symbolic notation del phi, and word notation will say that grad phi. So grad phi cross a bar plus, and cross product here it is. So simply what we can write? Curl a bar into phi m. So curl a bar into phi. What is that one? So here it is, simply we applied the definition of curl as well as grad phi, and next derivative formula, UV formula, UV dash plus VU dash. These are the formulas we applied for getting in that. And here it is, we need to remember that phi is a differentiable function and it is a scalar, and a bar is a vector. Okay, so these points you need to remember in that. Okay, next, third one, next identity. Prove that grad a bar dot b bar is equal to b bar dot del b bar dot del a bar plus a bar dot del a bar dot del b bar plus b bar cross curly a bar plus a bar cross curl b bar, a bar cross curl b bar. This is the next identity. Prove that grad of a bar dot b bar is equal to b bar dot del into a bar plus a bar dot del into b bar plus b bar cross curl a bar plus a bar cross curl b bar. Okay, so here it is. We are going to prove that by taking RHS, I am going to prove LHS. So for that, first I am taking a bar cross curl b bar. Okay, so consider. So first I am taking that. Consider a bar cross curl b bar is equal to a bar cross curl b bar is equal to, so this is equal to a bar cross curl and m. So curl is nothing but in symbolic notation. How to write this one? Del cross, right? Del cross b bar, a bar cross del cross b bar. So this is equal to a bar cross. Now I'm going to apply the definition of curlum. So del cross definition is nothing but, here it is having summation I cross, summation I cross dou b dou by dou x. Here it is having b bar. So for that, dou b bar by dou x. Okay. So first I applied, in place of curl is nothing but del cross. And next I applied the definition of curlum. Okay, curl definition I applied. Now, so this is equal summation. I'm writing outside the summation a bar cross I bar cross dou b bar by dou x, dou b bar by dou x. So this is equal to summation. So here it is, already we said last class, the formula is nothing but a bar cross b bar cross c bar, a bar cross b bar cross c bar. So this is nothing but simply what we apply in the formula, a bar dot c bar into b bar minus a bar dot b bar into c bar. So this is the formula we are going to apply now. Here it is a bar as this, and b bar is nothing but I, and c bar is nothing but dou b bar by dou x. And simply apply this formula, what will get? A bar dot dou b bar by dou x, dou b bar by dou x into b, here it is b is nothing but I, minus, and this is also same thing. Here it is having throughout summation. Here it is having a bar dot b bar. So a bar dot b bar is nothing but I into this is c bar is nothing but, here it is having dou b bar by dou x. Simply what I applied only for this definition. Here it is a bar dot c bar into b bar minus a bar dot b bar into c bar. So this is equal to, simply what we can write is summation I into a bar dot dou b bar by dou x, dou b bar by dou x. And next minus a bar dot, and this is a already vector, no need to write summation. If you write, if you don't write, nothing will wrong. So a bar dot, this is nothing but summation I dou b by dou x, dou b bar by dou x, dou b bar by dou x. So this is equal simply here it is having summation I into a bar dot dou b bar by dou x minus some a bar dot. So this is simply I am writing as summation I dou by dou x into b bar, dou by dou x into b bar. Okay. So and this one simply what we got it a bar cross curl b bar, and let it be taken as this is nothing but 1 up. And similarly, if we calculate b bar cross curly a bar, what we will get? Similarly, b bar cross curly a bar, b bar cross curly a bar. It means just what we need to do that we need to replace in place of a as b and in place of b as a naught. So simply what will get summation I a bar is nothing but here we will get b bar dot dou a bar by dou x minus b bar dot summation I into dou by dou x into a bar into a bar, and let it be taken as 2. Let it be taken as 2m. Now we need to add equation 1 and 2. So adding 1 and 2 on both sides. So here it is adding 1 and 2 on both sides. 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2 on both sides. So if we add 1 and 2 on both sides, in left side what we'll get? A bar cross curl b bar, a bar cross curl b bar plus b bar cross curl a bar is equal. B bar cross curl a bar is equal to. Simply what we got it, we can write it here. So here it is having summation I into a bar dot dou b bar by dou x minus a bar dot a bar dot. So what is that? Summation I dou by dou x into b bar, right? Into b bar. So this is for a bar cross curl b bar. And next plus summation I into. So this is simply what we got it b bar dot dou a bar by dou x minus b bar dot summation I dou by dou x into a bar. So this is equal to here it is no need to change anything in this as this. And now coming to this one, first one summation I a bar dot dou b bar by dou x plus, and the third term I am writing here summation I into b bar dot dou b bar by dou x, dou a bar by dou x, dou a bar by dou x, and coming to this minus a bar dot in place of this one simply what we can write now summation I del dou by dou x, and if we expand this one what we'll get I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. That is nothing but simply what we can write del into b bar, and coming to this minus b bar dot, and this is also simply what we can write del a bar. And now take this two into the left hand side, and what will happen? So here it is having a bar dot del into b bar, a bar dot del into b bar plus b bar dot del into a bar. Just I am taking the right hand terms into left hand side plus a bar cross curl b bar plus b bar cross curl a bar, curly a bar. So is equal. So I took these two terms into this side. And coming to in these two terms, which one is the common one? We can write summation I is the common one. And what about remaining there? So there it is having a bar dot dou b bar by dou x plus b bar dot dou a bar by dou x, dou a bar by dou x. So this is equal to here it is having summation I into. So this is how can we write this one? Is there any formula? This is in the form of any formula u b dash plus v u dash. It means simply what we can write dou by dou x of a bar dot b bar. Can write this one or not? See, u v dash plus v u dash. So this is equal to, in place of this one, what we can write? Summation I dou by dou x is nothing but simply del, right? Del a bar dot b bar. This is in symbolic notation. In word notation, what will say that this is nothing but grad, right? Grad a bar dot b bar. Is that only they asked to prove that one or not? See, here it is, grad a bar dot b bar is equal to same as it is, no, b bar dot del into a bar plus a bar dot del into b bar plus b bar cross curly a bar and a bar cross curly a b bar. Okay. Next one. Prove that. So very important this is. Prove that next one. Prove that divergence of a bar cross b bar is equal to b bar dot curly a bar b bar dot curly a bar minus a bar dot curly b bar a bar dot curly b bar. And one more thing, what we are proving here, it is having, they may give these things in symbolic notation also. Okay, not only in word notation, they may give this one in symbolic notations also. So divergence is nothing but simply what we write, del dot, right? Del dot a bar cross b bar is equal. So b bar dot curly a bar is nothing but del cross a bar minus a bar dot curly b bar. So curly b bar is nothing but del cross b bar, right? So like this also they may ask. So don't learn only in a theoretical and symbolic notations also they may ask that one. Okay. So here it is having. See, here it is having. First we are going to take LHS. So here it is, LHS is nothing but divergence of a bar cross b bar is equal. Divergence of a bar cross b bar is equal. So simply what we can write, this divergence is nothing but simply we are using the definition. So definition is nothing but summation I summation I dot dou by dou x I dot dou by dou x of dou by dou x of a bar cross b bar. One minute.